and Peachtree City has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for east central Oconee County in northeastern Georgia, southeastern Clark County in northeastern Georgia, western Oglethorpe County in northeastern Georgia, until 12:45 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 12:16 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located over Whitehall, or near Athens, moving east at 20 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expect damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Watkinsville, Lexington, Winterville, Crawford, Ardenville, Athens, Clark County, Whitehall, Stevens, Dunlap, State Botanical Garden of Georgia, Hutchings, and Arnett Shoals. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. If you see wind damage, hail, or flooding, wait until the storm has passed, and then call the National Weather Service toll-free at 1-866-7-634-4664 tweet us your report at NWS Atlanta. At noon in Gainesville, it was cloudy.
Yo, it literally happened
4 degrees.
right when I switched the recom to KXI22. So this guy did not go off because, you know, it's not on the right station. But damn.